Do 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 do. Do da 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 do 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 da 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 do 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 do.
The story of the first Thanksgiving.
Boom 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 boom. Chewbacca, meet us. Okay. Let's play. Okay. Tag. Wait, we're not running. We're playing the board games. Okay. Let's spin around. Boom, 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 boom. You point. The arrow's pointing. Wait, what the? How did it come from? Oh, what the? Who's drawing the wheel? Maybe the neighbor's drawing that. Oh, yeah. Where's Chewbacca? I don't see it. How'd you know? Is he coming? What the heck he's doing that? Who's doing that? Neighbor, stop throwing the rock or I'll beat you up.
I'll kill you.
What the? Oh, what the? Ah! Oh, he's a scary cat. Where's the Chewbacca? Ah! Red, why are you in that floor? Ah! Chewbacca? What are you doing? Hi, Chewbacca. Hi. Chewbacca? Are you saying that? Are you saying hi? I'm not afraid of Chewbacca. Ah! I'm nice to you. Alright, come back. What happened? You pushed me up. Chewbacca, I'll be nice to you. Maybe you don't push me. Okay. Stupid Chewbacca. Why is he saying that? Chewbacca? Where's your friend? Where's your friend? Is he right here? Oh, he said no. Hey, Chewbacca, what do you want to do? I've been seeing my cousin, my friend is right here. I don't have friends on. Where's my friend? Where's Jacob? He's not right here. Jacob?
Hello?
Oh, I heard him. Huh. Jacob, what are you doing?
Nothing.
Okay. So, Jacob, this is Orange. Wait, yeah, you remember her.
Who's that?
Oh, yeah, you remember him. Yeah, I remember here. I remember you. You cut my butt.
No, I cut your hair. Remember?
Oh, yeah, I remember you. You were cutting my hair.
Yeah, I remember.
And you were the boss. And I was in the restroom looking in the mirror, and now it's normal. And you cut my hair. Yeah, and I said you ate my boogers, so you licked the boogers.
Now. Oh.
Oh, wait, I heard that. Oh, nice. You're stupid. What the heck? First, it was your haircut. I heard it. You're screaming. Jacob was telling me, and
Yeah, because I was on the phone, huh?
what the?
I was on the phone calling you.
Oh yeah, you were in a telephone.
Yeah, then you heard.
And he said shut your big old mouth.
Mm-hmm.
And then I said I'll get his butt.
But I got a different hair though, huh?
Yep, you got a haircut from the barber shop yesterday.
No, not yesterday.
I'm just kidding. Oh, he's good. Ah! Oh, hi Chewbacca. Can you talk normal now? What
Okay.
the? Oh, okay. What do you want to do? Chewbacca, what do you want to do? Oh, it looks pretty.
What is this place?
And this is that's Red's house. No, mine's inside in the room, in mommy's room.
This is my house.
Oh yeah, that's just your house.
Come on, want to see my house?
Yeah. Oh, what the heck? What is this place? Oh yeah, that's just how you want. Hey, you don't have to yell. What are you doing, Chewbacca? This is your house. Why do you have light? Okay. What? I see your bed over there. Let's go. so bad. Okay. What? That's your TV? Oh, okay. Let's watch TV. This is stupid. What?
Breaking news.
This is stupid. I'm gonna change it.
Then from Authentic.
Oh, I like that the
R4
scooter.
is a portable electric scooter.
Hey, Chewbacca, what is that?
It's kind of fun to ride. Now you may think you've seen
Oh,
these
I
before.
don't know how to
These
stop. I don't want
crazy
pants.
scooters that can putt around, but this R4 is
Oh,
way
so
different
you know
and
now
much
you
better.
now you have
First
now you
impressions,
have to
it's a
stop
lot
now.
bigger and beefier than I thought. This is definitely aimed more for teens or adults. The
oh,
R4
is that
about 30
rat?
pounds and can carry approximately 300
Oh, it's just
pounds.
squirrel. I thought it was a
Folds
rat.
down nice and compact, easy to toss in the
Stop
trunk
saying
of your
that.
car. To set up, first pull open
No.
the release.
Ugh. There, I changed it.
Finally.
Oh,
Wait, that's the Lego SpongeBob?
what are you guys doing?
Oh,
Time is
Chewbacca, why
money.
do you like this Lego
If you're
SpongeBob?
wasting time,
It's fun.
then you're
Oh,
wasting
okay, that's
money.
why is it fun?
I don't know. It's funny.
Just sick.
Oh, that was cool. I mean, cool. Why'd you mess up your voice? His line is right here. Yeah. Yep. Let's go. Oh, your house is scary.
Don't worry. It's actually fire. If anybody try to take us, if anybody touch our house, there will be fire. Okay?
Okay.
Well, come on, sit down.
Woo, woo,
It's
woo,
an owl.
woo, woo.
It's my pet.
But your house has been haunted.
No, it didn't.
Whoa, whoa.
Can I go to your house?
Yep.
Come on, let's go.
Come on, let's go.